everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. So before I go any further, I want to point out that yes, I look like a potato, but that is okay because it goes along with today's theme, because we're going to be making loaded baked potato soup in the crock pot. It is so easy to make. It is one of those dinners that is perfect for when you have a busy day, because you can literally put it on in the morning, leave it for 5 hours, and then come back to it. And I don't want to make this intro long or anything, so we're going to go ahead and make the soup. You will need 32 ounces of hash browns, 32 ounces of chicken broth, a can of cream of chicken soup, 2 2.5 ounce packs of bacon bits, 16 ounces of a cheese of your choice. We are just going to be using shredded mild cheddar today. And you will also need an 8 ounce block of cream cheese. And this is optional, but I like to top mine with chives. You're going to want to start by adding all the hash browns into the crock pot. Then go ahead and add in the chicken broth. Add the can of cream of chicken soup. Then just give it a good quick stir. I couldn't do it originally on camera because it was hard to do with one hand, but you just want to make sure that the soup, the chicken broth, and the potatoes are all mixed together very well. And then you can go ahead and add about half the bag of cheese, and then go ahead and add the entire bag of bacon bits. Again, you're just going to want to stir these all together. Then you can go ahead and turn your crock pot to low, and I will be back with you guys in 5 hours to add the bar of cream cheese. So we are now about 5 hours into the cooking process, and now it is time to add the block of cream cheese. And for this, you're just going to want to cut the cream cheese up into little squares and then put it in the crock pot and let it melt. So that is how you can easily make loaded baked potato soup in the crock pot. It is so delicious. I absolutely love it. It is perfect for winter. It is budget friendly. It isn't time consuming. You can literally walk away from it. And it's also very filling. And if you guys would like me to do more videos on crock pot meals, make sure to let me know in the comments down below. I will also leave a playlist that includes all the foods I've made on my channel down below for you guys. I have a bunch of like easy dinner meals that I've done in the past that are worth checking out. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button to become part of the Allie squad. I upload 2 to 3 new videos a week and would love it if you'd become part of our little family. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys!